Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple Domino pizza dough at home, and you can use this for any type of pizza you want. So as I said, it's very simple. We are going to add all our ingredients, dry ingredients in the bowl, which is flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and dry milk powder. That's optional, or garlic powder, which is also optional. So which you can omit this two or not. Then in it, we're going to mix everything together and add our water and olive oil or any vegetable oil you have. That's our water. That's warm water and olive oil. So we're going to stir everything together before we take this to the mixer to knead. But if you don't have a mixer, you can do this by hand. When it comes together, then use your hand to knead, which will take a little bit of time. On the mixer, you want to knead it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now we're going to mix it with a mixer, but you can also knead this by your hand. So I'm going to let it go for about 3 to 5 minutes. But you can also knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. And our dough is ready. So I'm just pinching everything together. Then I'll put them into an oil covered bowl. And I'm going to allow this to proof for about 90 minutes in room temperature. You can also let it proof for about 8 to 12 hours in your refrigerator. So all I'm doing is just knocking down a little bit of air from it, and the dough is ready. Just going to divide into two and use it for any type of pizza you want to do. So that's our pizza dough. As simple as that. I hope you guys give it a try. And the what you can see in the picture here is called stromboli, and I will link it below or up here so that you can check it out.